glow of the candlelight, where our fingers intertwine. A love story unfolds like pages in a book, a melody so divine. Underneath the starlit sky, where dreams come to play, you and I together in this cozy house.